Hello, welcome to our Wednesday webinar. Today you're going to see how to create and add a J-handled profile in your project. So first of all, it's important to know that the J-handled profile is defined by the material edge banding. That's why we need to create them here in the material tab. So in this webinar, we will go step by step through this to create this and also to edit on the right place. So therefore, I want to recommend you, because it's a specific about the material set. And last year, I show you, we already have had a webinar about the material set, about creating a material set which with edge bandings. So when you click here in help and free tutorial, you see your browser will open and you click here on start our webinars. So here you see the past webinars, and here it's creating a new material set. Yeah, I recommend to watch this as well. So now we will start a new project. And here we start from the very beginning. Yeah, that is here the default cabinet. And you just add here a new cabinet, click on the cabinet tab. And here you type in the new width, height, and depth. And then you just drag it and drop it here exactly on this smart click. So, and also for the wall mountains, we just want to have 2 in this case. And the height should be here 600 and the depth 350. And you just drag it and drop it in this smart click. So, and you don't need here the plinth legs. So that's why you click here no plinth and remove the SIG from the plinth for the plinth legs. Yeah. And then we want to have here a distance. So that's why you click here on the red cross and distance left 600 and confirm it with enter. So that is it for the first step. And the next step is here you click to division, and here you just add a horizontal vertical. Yeah. Here it should be also vertical, but this vertical, when you click here, should be passing through top and bottom. Yeah, you can click it here in advance, or you can also click here and here let it pass through top and bottom, and you can also double it up. Yeah, then you have 2 separate cabinets in this case. Yeah, the same should be here. Just click 2 verticals that we have 3 cabinets. And you can also do it here, yeah. So that is it. And here it should be also a cover panel, yeah. So you click back to the cabinet tab, and here we want to have a cover panel with an overlap to front, should be 30. Yeah, and then it's already made. All right, that's so far with division. So, and now you click to front, and here you can set the fronts. Yeah, so we want to have here a left door, and here a right door. Now I made a mistake, how you see it here, yeah. and that is because I made a mistake. I show you why. So before I delete this, because accidentally I dragged and dropped the door not here in this area. I went through the vertical, and that's why it went through the whole area. Yeah, now it's right. I show you here. Here it's better to see. Yeah, because you choose the area, but when you go with the mouse over a divider, then the door goes over the whole area. Yeah, so it's here. You see, then you have one door for this cabinet. Yeah, but we don't want to have this. Yeah, that's why we will delete it. What is possible is you can have a double door. Yeah, and when you don't want to have a double door here and here, you go over this, and then it's even faster. Yeah, that is okay because it's a double door. So, all right, and here on this cabinet, we want to here a left door, and on the right side, a right door. And in the middle, we want to have drawers, and we want to have 3 drawers. So, and how you see, yeah, in the default, you have here handles, but in our case today, we don't want to have the handles. Yeah, that's why you click here. Here's the definition of the handles, and here you can choose between knob handles. Yeah, you see it here, or in this case, we want to have no handles. Then you see the handles get disappear in the activated cabinet. Yeah, but not for the other ones. What you can do is you can overtake the setting for all cabinets, and there you make your setting first, and then you click your all cabinets. So, and when there is one cabinet where you don't want to get this, then you just remove the tick. Yeah, otherwise you just confirm it by closing this window, and you see here the handles disappear. All right, and now we want to add the J handles. So like I said before, you find the J handles here in the Material tab. So I have just here the zoom window covering it. So yeah, now it's better. So you click here on the Material tab, and you won't have it in your setup, and we will do this step by step. Yeah, so that's why I will click on here and click on here to show you the setup. Yeah, but I will delete it, and we will create it from the very beginning. So, all right. And therefore, I click here on delete, and we want to delete it. To create a new profile, you click here first to material set, and now you see everything is empty. So, and here you can pick any material set. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So you can also create a new one. Yeah, it actually doesn't matter so much. So I just use here this one, and here I just call it so because later on we actually won't use this material set itself, but it belongs to the panel here, belongs to the material set as well as the edge bendings. So that's why we focus now here on the edge bending. Yeah, we want to create a new edge bending. That's why you click on here. And here it's important that in the name that you already write down a handle, because it is also the code for the program to create the handle later on. Yeah, handle edge J profile. Yeah, and we call it 40 mil. So here you can copy it for the description. And here you can choose a thickness, yeah, 40 mil. And here also the price per meter. So when you have done it, you can save this. So then you see it here. And now you just mark it and click Control C to copy it. And here you can click Control V, and then you see it's also appearing here. Yeah, you see a front edge, back edge. Here now it's appearing here on the left side and here on the right side. You find it also here on the bottom of this here. Yeah, you see it's the same. So once you have done it, then you call it here, because now we created here the dummy material. So the panel, what is just the base layer. Yeah, but later on, we actually don't use it. You will see why later on. So, and then you have here the edge bendings defined with handle and also with the thickness 40 mil. So, and now you give this whole material set also the name handle J profile 40 mil. And now you save this. Then you can close this. And you can use this filter here and search for handle. Yeah, you see here now, this is a handle. Handle J profile. So, and now you click on here, because here you can choose, do you want to change the complete material set or just the material panel, all edges, or just a single edge? Yeah, so, and the edges are called front, right, back, and left. So you see now here in this case, you don't actually have a front. It's also like 90-degree twisted. So that's why when you want to have the handle here in the middle, you need to have here edge back. Yeah, and then you drag and drop it over the store. And then you see here, it's here on the back. Yeah, because that is the back, that is, this is the front, this is the left side, and the bottom is the right side. Yeah, for the other side, you click here, edge bending front, Yeah, and then you just drag it and drop it over here. Yeah, and then you see it's appearing. So here you want to have this on the bottom. Yeah, the bottom is here the right side. That's why you click here, edge right. And then you just drag it. Just check it. It's working. But now, I don't know why this happened. I haven't had this before. I need to check this why. Just was here actually here it did it right, but in this case there's something not working well. Just check it with because in preparation I did it also with 30 mil. So I go back and we will set here a white handle. Yeah, now I change the complete material set and click here on handle. And now I use this for 30 mil. And click here left and edit. So there is, I think, something other wrong. It's not to do with the handles because before it was right. And now it made it like this. Now. Okay. The reason could be because when I prepared, I didn't use the double door. I will delete it. I used the left door and a single right door. So it could be depending for one reason on here. Yeah, now it's working. So, and when you have sometimes like this, that something isn't working like you want to have it, then you click here on help and create a ticket via web formula. Yeah, I show you this. It's why how to do this. You click here on web formula and here you type in your last name, email, and category. Yeah, it would be in this case TrunCAD. Classification would be a problem. And here you just write an subject. Yeah, that edge bending J profile is overlapping the front. Yeah, then you can also add here a screenshot. And what is important that you attach here the hotline zip file, which you find in C software folder, TrunCAD 20XX, and here in the backup folder, you see the hotline zip file. Yeah, and you add the hotline zip file, and then we can also check this. So, but now it's working, and I want to have here this one. All right. This looks good. So, and here we want to have it on the other edge. So on the top, and that's why it's here in this case the right one. Right. It's here the top and here as well. So, and for the drawers, that is normal. When you drag and drop this here, then all edge will be changed, yeah? So you can do this, but in this case, we don't want to have this edge bending here. We want to have it here also on the bottom. And that's why I show you now both ways how to do this. You can go here also, double click this, and then the 2D editor is opening. And you see here what material you have. Yeah, that's agar white 18 mil. And here you see also the edge bendings. Yeah, edge wide 2 mil, edge wide 2 mil. And here you see J handle profile. Yeah, so you close this and you just type in here wide, and this is this. And you want to change here the complete for this and only the selected part. That is important. Yeah, otherwise the other edge bending will disappear. Yeah, you see now this edge bending disappeared. And now you go back here to handle and type in here left, that we have it here, the edge bending on the bottom. Now you see it's on the bottom. So, all right. Now we are done so far. And what we're going to do now is, when you want to change here the material afterwards, yeah, then you need to be careful that you don't change the complete material set. You just want to set the surface, the material. Yeah, and here we type in 18 mil, and then here you can pick 18 mil. And what you also can do, you can click all parts for the group. So because the front is a group, and you can make a tick on all cabinets. Then with one drag and drop action, you can change the material. Yeah. And this here, because we only did this, the single one, we change this here as well. So, and I wanted to show you here also the other way. That's why I will delete it. And now I think it's over-saved. So when you click here again, it probably won't happen. Just recheck it. We click here again. It overtakes the setting. That's why I delete them every single one. So, and drag and drop this here again. Okay, it doesn't change it. Then we just do it like this. We change here the complete material set. So I just wanted to show you the other way. Yeah. So because here you see now that is the normal one, but we don't want to have the handles. So, and here you click here again, click on handle. And you can here click only selected part. That is what I mostly recommend, yeah, because then it's easier. You see, the other thing, it's faster, but you need to know how to do it. And here, when you click here right, then you get here the handle on this only part, the single part here right. And you want to have it here on bottom as well. And here you want to have it on the left side. So that is the way how we wanted to have it. So, and last but not least, we want to have here a different cover panel, the marmor. Now I see also that it doesn't change, because then when you use this, you always need to take care that you choose here the complete material set, and then it's getting changed. Yeah, so that is important, that you always keep an eye on it, that you have here the right one. So, all right, this is it so far. Now you can here turn off the smart clicks, and it's well done. Yeah, when you want, you can here also draw it with open fronts. And when you click here again with visible fronts, and here closed. All right, I hope also that you can take a lesson of the mistakes I did. Yeah, that's why it's good to have the live webinar, because there you see also how to fix problems. Yeah, when they are appearing, you can delete and try a different way. And when you can't fix it, then you just click here on help and create a ticket via web formula. All right. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.